I've tried a lot of glues in my life, say they were like waterproof or sweat proof, and they just haven't been. Normally when I'm playing my wigs, I sew them on because I don't have time for the glue to decide it's not waterproof or sweat proof and it come off.
Brown baller, take one, action.
What's up, baby? So I'm just gonna hop straight into this video just because I just did a review recently on the Ericka J sport glue, like the new glue that she came out with, and I wasn't that impressed with it, if I'm being honest with you. I am an athlete. I literally work out every single day. Like, I play professional basketball, so I've tried a lot of glues in my life, say they were like waterproof or sweat proof, and they just haven't been. I wanted to give the sport glue that she came out with a try, and y'all, the first time that I did it, it was horrible. Like, it literally lasted 3 days. From this experience, I clearly may have applied it wrong or just whatever the case is, because I tried it again. I wanted to give it a try so I could actually give you guys an updated review. Normally when I'm playing my wigs, I sew them on because I don't have time for the glue to decide it's not waterproof or sweat proof and it come off. I always sew my wigs on. This time I did not sew my wigs on, and I didn't sew my wig on because I felt that secure with my wig that it wasn't gonna come off. Like, even now, I'm tugging on it and it's just starting to lift a bit, like, and I'm tugging. And this is past day 10 that I've been working out, sweating, and I sweat a lot from my head. This time, like, I can appreciate the extra hold. I still apply the 3 layers. I feel like it just worked better for me this time. Maybe it was the climate. I don't know. I did want to just give you guys an update with that, and then I just wanted to take this off with you guys here at home. Like, baby is on, she's sliding back, but that's only because I've been trying to force her to come off, to be honest with you. This is the Hold Me Down adhesive remover, and it's in the scent, the watermelon scent. So I'm just gonna spray this on my hairline where the glue is. It's running down my face. Y'all didn't tell me that. Jesus. Spraying this on. All over. We're just trying to keep our edges intact all 2023 and beyond. It says to leave it on, let it sit for 3 to 5 minutes. So I'm just gonna kind of massage her in a little bit. The consistency of the spray is, it feels like an oil for those who are just interested in that. And I have a little bit of glue residue right here, so I'm just gonna work the product in. This is my real hair, like this is my actual sideburn. So I'm just gonna kind of gently rub it in and then begin to pull it off. It just comes off. I do love the adhesive remover because it's like no hassle at all. The biggest hassle is literally getting it off the lace, but even that is not a hassle. I didn't want to make this video long. I just wanted to show you guys what I've been dealing with. Again, massage, trying to keep all my edges. Come on this side, see what is happening. Literally just lifting up, just like that. And again, I have a little bit of glue residue on my natural hair. Gently just massage the glue out of my hair, and as I'm moving down, like, the glue is just coming off. I don't really know why the glue didn't stay as long the last time that I applied it. The only thing I could think of is that I did the ball cap method the last time, and this time I didn't do a ball cap. I just put a wig cap on, so maybe that was like the problem, because this time it literally stayed on way longer than it did last time. Oh, this is just up. And there she blows. I'm just gonna get the remainder They're always drag racing outside, I don't know why. I'm gonna get the remainder of this. And as you guys can see, there's no more glue. My wig is successfully off. I just really want to come do an updated review on the glue because I was so disappointed the first time that I used it, and the glue is way too hyped up and way too expensive for it to be what it was. So I definitely had to give it a try, and I will say that I'm definitely impressed with it. So far, it's the only glue that I have ever in my career, I'm almost 30 years old, ever played in a game without sewing my wig on, and I wasn't afraid that my wig was gonna fall off. Like, I felt like it was very secure, it was very snug. So yeah, so I'm definitely gonna continue. I don't know how much I'm gonna risk. I'm probably gonna sew it on the next time because I was still nervous, I'm not gonna lie to you. But I definitely will continue to use this glue, and if anything changes, of course, I will be back to tell you guys. I approve this message. Ericka J, you might have something going in the water. Like, I don't know what it is, but you had me nervous a little bit. I'm not gonna lie, you definitely had me nervous. That is it for this video. I know it was very short-lived, but I just wanted to share that with you guys. So now I'm gonna go wash my hair. I was ready to take that wig off so I could just get back to my natural scalp and like fill my curls and all that. So I'm gonna go wash my hair. But thank you guys for watching this video. If you liked it, give me a thumbs up. I'm trying to review things I feel like no one else is reviewing. A lot of people just use products and not necessarily review them to let you know if they're good or not. But like, I wanna let y'all know because I don't want nobody wasting their money. Hyped or not, I don't want you to waste your money. Period. I hope you guys have an amazing day. I love you and I can't wait to see you again.